In this video, I'm going to show you how to send mail on Gmail. So firstly, you need to sign in your Gmail account, and after that, click on Compose. Now, in here, you need to type email address where you want to send mail. Like I want to send this email address. Now type your subject. Now type your mail here. Then click on send. If you want to send file, so click on this attach file icon and select your file. If you want to insert a link, so click here, text to display, and here you need to type URL, this link to go. Also, you can attach and insert file using Google Drive, insert photo, and there are two more options like turn confidential mode on or off and insert signature. After select all things which you require, then click on send. That's it. So like this you can send mail in Gmail. Thanks for watching.